Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Just wanted to give you a couple tips. I am installing this eyebrow window kit. It's a two-piece kit on our 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor. However, this fits all 2021 and up Ford Broncos as of the time of this filming. So when you guys get this install kit, especially if you have wires or anything on your windshield up in this area, you need to remove them. And then you really need to wet the windshield and the back of this tint really well. You're going to have to be able to push it up and under this trim, and that includes on this side, up and under this plastic trim to get it in the correct position. So if you have wires running like I do, you have to use a little bit more vigor, a little bit more energy, and be mindful of that and get it to go all the way under there, unless you want to remove your setup and then do it. Of course, you'll have to remove any little oil change stickers as well. If you have any little plastic left at the very end, you can run a very sharp blade on your glass. There's no problem doing that. I left just a little so you can see how easy that is to remove and clean up. Let's go to the outside and see what that looks like. It looks pretty good, and as it dries out, these little bubbles will go away. I'll see these sometimes up to 10 days or so, but in the Florida heat, they do go away. I did rent a vehicle recently and they had gotten tint professionally installed. I noticed the same exact bubbles as well, but wet this area really well. You can see there's water on my dash. Use our original install video for the side windows to help you as well. Basically, watch that video first and then go back and review some of the tints that I've given you in this video. And don't forget, all of this can be purchased on our site at stickerfab.com. Okay, spraying this area down, cleaning it off. This is Sticker Fab application fluid right here. Got that all clean. Now I'm going to spray it again. Being very liberal with that. Don't worry about getting the inside of your vehicle wet. If you're getting this done at a tint place, they're getting the inside of your vehicle wet as well. You're kind of going through a similar process. Try not to let the tint touch anything. If you have the AC on, be careful that it doesn't grab the tint and blow it away. You're just matching up the shapes. This shape matches this side. There's tons of fluid on here, so I can slide it around just like my side window video. Then you gotta grab your squeegee and see if I can move this to one side to make sure it fits. Yep. Some of it can go under the trim, just like on the other side. The squeegee a little to one side, squeegee a little to the other side. Make sure you're getting full coverage, covering up all these dots. Pretty easy install. You're gonna get great results, both on your vision and then cut out a little bit of heat. Be sure to get all the dots where they will kind of be visible from the outside. And you just let it dry. Go ahead and clean it back off with your towel. As I mentioned in the first part of the video, if you have any plastic left, carefully cut it off with a sharp blade. Just peels right off. There you have it. Just keep on working that until you're happy with the results.